Hi guys, so today I am going to be unboxing Dreamcatcher's Escape the Era. Please excuse my voice, I'm still sick, but I really wanted to unbox these. These are like so bright and vibrant. I really appreciate that Dreamcatcher have kept the same like design since debut with their albums, and like this is no exception. It's the same. The detail itself is different, but the design is pretty much the same, and I love the different colors for each of their albums. Let's begin with I think this is the inside version. So two versions, inside and outside. So this one is like a bright orange. And here is the track listing. Escape the Era. There are 6 tracks on here, and they are Inside, Outside, which is the intro track, excuse me, You and I, the title track, Mayday, 어느 별, or Which Star, 이더럽고도, 이더럽고도 추한, Ska, and You and I instrumental. So You and I admittedly isn't my favorite. I like the song, but it's not my favorite of Dreamcatcher's title tracks just because Dreamcatcher have such incredible title tracks. But this album is beautiful. I love 어느 별 especially. I know that it's not as like rock sounding as like the rest of the tracks, but I think it's such a gorgeous song, and it's actually one of my favorite Dreamcatcher songs probably of all time. So yeah, I really love that song, and I love the rest of the album too. I don't know, Dreamcatcher always give me like they always take me back to like when I was a teenager, when I was in high school, because I used to like rock music more when I was in high school, I think. And like I don't know, I just feel really nostalgic about it all the time. So anyway, let's begin with this. Okay, so CD, I think. Yep. So we've got the track listing here again, and the CD with the Dreamcatcher design. It really is such a beautiful design. And then that's really cool. Dreamcatcher. I'll take out the cards. I don't really usually like the whole like overexposed kind of effect, but I think it works with Dreamcatcher because they're kind of like the whole concept is just like this creepy sort of like supernatural ghost-like thing, so it makes sense. I love the styling. They just look so cool. Like when the concept teasers came out for this, I absolutely loved them. Just impeccable styling. They're stunning. And lyrics. Super solid album credits. And this is it for the photo book of the inside version. So it comes with cards. I'll go through them right now. I'm gonna move this out of the way. Okay, so for the first one, I got a group card with like their beautiful outfits. I really love their outfits. So cool. And for the second one, I got I can't even see. I got SuA, I think. SuA. I think that's the first time I've pulled her too. And for the second one, I got SuA again. So yeah, I don't actually collect Dreamcatcher, so I will put these up for trade or sale. And I'll move on to the outside version now. Same track listing, just this one is a beautiful, like, turquoise-y color. I'm not good with colors. Or shades. Okay, we'll go through the CD again. Track list, and then the design is pretty much the same, just different. Hang on, I'll take out the cards again. Just a different color. Cute. Photo by Dami. Oh, she looks so pretty. SuA. And Siyeon. Photo by Ju. Photo by Siyeon of Handong. Ugh, so pretty. Yuhyun, photo by Handong. I love that they all took turns with this. A photo by Ju, photo by SuA. Dami, photo by SuA. This is by Yuhyun. And this is Gahyun's photo by Dami. Was this? Yeah, both of them by Dami. Gahyun is so gorgeous. And Handong and Gahyun, photo by Jiu. It's by Gahyun. Dami and then Siyeon. I really love that they participated in like all these, like the process of taking all these pictures. Like they were so involved in it. And they're all such beautiful photos. Credits. And that is it for the photo book for the outside version. So it does come with cards, and I'll go through them right now. For the first one, I got Gahyun. And then I got a group card. Is this the same one? Oh, I think maybe it's standard. I'm not sure, but yeah. Group card. And then for the last one, I got Handong. She's so pretty and so underrated. So yeah, those are all the cards. Oh, yeah, those are all the cards that I got. I just realized these are Siyeon. So not SuA, sorry, Siyeon. I got Siyeon's cards. And then Gahyun and Handong. I'm putting all of these, including the group cards, up for trade or sale, because I don't collect Dreamcatcher. If I did, I would collect Ju, probably, because she's my bias. But it's just I have so many other like sets that I'm trying to complete, and I don't want to get tempted into collecting Dreamcatcher cards, even though I think they have beautiful cards. But yeah, there we go. Anyway, I really love Dreamcatcher, and I'm always excited for like whenever they have a new comeback, because I don't know, don't quote me on this, but I think this is supposed to be the end of like the Nightmare series, like that's why it's Escape the Era, makes sense. So I am very excited to see like what, you know, their next comeback will be like. And I really enjoy watching their stages. They have such amazing stages in choreo. So yeah, anyway, thank you so much for watching.